Okay, we got our super sharp haul trailer. Super V-nose, it's like a 7 feet. This one's actually a 10K trailer. Extra wide door. And I like how they have the lock-in bar here. And how they have the metal locks. This door is an RV style, so that's very, very nice. 6 lug nut. I think it's 8-ply tires. V series. It's got extra lights everywhere. If anybody needs a gutter trailer, this one's a good one. This one doesn't have any fancy plastic locks or whatever. I like these really good. Extra lights. I added extra lights. This one is a ramp. We can convert it into a door if need be. This one we did add extra tie downs. And it's a little bit on the height side. It's 6 feet tall. Got a spare tire. Got the battery inside. I'm not sure why they didn't put the battery all the way in the corner. I guess for maintenance or something. But got some extra lights in the ceiling. And the lights work because the battery is here. So they'll always work day or night. That's a nice trailer. Extra lights on top. It's a 12-foot trailer with a 7-foot V-nose. So it's technically like 18 feet long. If anybody needs a custom gutter trailer.